She waited for his letter for months, but it never came. Fell upon the pages of her old diary. He stood silently at the edge of the cliff, thinking of her. The sound of rain brought memories of their first meeting. She promised to stay through thick and thin, yet she walked away. Their laughter still lingers in the empty house. He looked into her eyes, searching for the truth he feared. She vanished among the crowd, leaving him broken and lost. They walked hand in hand along the shore, knowing it was their last sunset. His words were carved deeply into her heart forever.